This is the Canopy filter refill. And this is the Canopy box humidifier. Breathe, hydrate, radiate. Breathe in wellness, definitely on brand. Ooh, this is a great unboxing experience. They got this little thing you essentially pull out, voila. Clean, pristine, look at that, that's the box. You untie it like a present. This is like bamboo. Hydration is here. It's like a grocery bag. That's not easy to empty. In the top, looks like we got a little box with a USB-A power outlet. So it looks like a USB-A to USB-C with a kind of 90-degree angle on the end. Very nice nylon braided cable. Oh, this one is spilling everywhere. We've got the different fragrances right here. Oh my God, it's absolutely falling apart. Okay, started out like a great unboxing experience, ended up like a shout. So it looks like the tape kind of didn't really hold together, but on this side we've got the fan with a filtering device for the humidifier. And then this is the water tank, so you fill this up with like regular water. I don't think you actually have to do distilled water, which is nice, because most humidifiers can create white dust around the apartment, and you'll notice that on black devices there'll be like white dust. But this is the little device, this is the white model. This is a quick start guide on the top. Just be mindful and careful. These tapes don't hold it together so well, but I think it'll sit on your nightstand very well. Canopy humidifier, hydration is here. So the whole goal and purpose of getting a humidifier in your room is to keep your skin moisturized, kind of relieving congestion and coughs. Obviously you want to minimize mold if you're using a humidifier, and it just depends on where you live. You want something that's clean, doesn't cause white dust, and ideally something that helps. So this one is dermatologist recommended. It's got aroma, it's clean, filtered moisture for optimal humidity, and fits perfectly on your nightstand. All right, so cut to setting this up in the bedroom. Okay, we got the humidifier. As you can tell, it's got a nice quick start guide to make things easy. Find a home, plug it in, add water, choose your setting, use, refill once empty. To avoid spills, make sure it's on a level surface before moving, because if you try to pick it up, it kind of comes apart. Now, lift the body, remove the filter, replace it with a new Canopy filter, hold the button for 10 seconds, cleaning cool beans. Let's get this sucker plugged in and see how it works. Where's the power outlet? Ah, there it is. Okay, put that sucker there. Grab the cable. I presume we can plug it in this way. You know, is it bad to have this many devices next to my bed? Probably. Do I do this for YouTube? Half, but also I'm a little crazy. Yes! Okay, we gotta fill this sucker up. Good solid reminder, don't move it with a full tank. All right, it is turned and tied. And now we're on. Oh, you press the top. Looks like it is on now. Just gotta figure out what the lights mean. Fan speed indicator. So I guess you should really keep this quick start guide, because how am I supposed to remember that? So it looks like it's on auto and low. The on off and the filter reset, light sensor, water sensor, cool beans. It is now working. Something is happening. Oh, if you look carefully, it says water, filter, auto, cool beans, and the on-off button. So the auto mode uses the light sensor to figure out, turn it up when it's dark, turn it down when it's bright. And the night mode will self-dim at night. No mist coming out. All right, I definitely feel something coming out from the fan. We'll run this for a couple nights and I'll show you. Do I wake feeling moisturized? Do I wake up feeling less dry mouth? I'll let you know. Make sure to subscribe, like this video. This was the Canopy humidifier unboxing, first impressions, and setup. I hope you enjoyed it. What else do you want to see? Let me know. Peace.